Hey, there is no background music or anything, but I just want to show you um, this Tough Mama foldable hair dryer. Okay, I was surprised when I saw this and I really like this product because it's usable and everyday. It turns my hair to something that I really appreciate much. I'm gonna open this first thing. Okay, so open it from the box, then bring out the product. I bought this months ago, but I have to take good care of it. So what I do is that I always keep, okay, these are important things because when you have that, you always have that sense of respect to the product. So plug it in. Excuse. Okay, I'm back. Then open it up, switch it to number 1, and then place it in your hair. Just let this hair dryer dry it out. Especially when there are events and you need to tie your hair or do anything to it, you can use this one. There, it's easy. Others use a comb also to make it easier, easier. Ooh. Not in my face. Oh my gosh, it's messy already. So there, this is my blow dryer.